Welcome all of you guys. Okay, today we are here to discuss about bisexual flowers. But before that, we must know there are two types of flowers. First is unisexual and second one is bisexual. Unisexual flowers means the flower which contains either male or female, which means which contain only one sex. Got it? There are examples like papaya, maize. But if you talk about bisexual flower, the flower which contains both sexes, male as well as female, is called what? Bisexual flower. We have one bisexual flower, one of the bisexual flowers right now, and that is what? Hibiscus flower. Okay, so here this is what? Hibiscus one. I'm gonna pluck it and you all will describe the part. Okay, who will describe this one? This is called what?
Stalk.
A stalk. So who will describe it? Yes, tell me, what is this?
It connects flower to the branch.
Branch.
Yes,
Okay, means this is the part, she said rightly, this is the part which connects flower to the branch. Okay, the next part is what? What is this?
Sepals.
Sepals. What is this?
Sepals.
Sepals. Who will discuss it? You. Okay.
So
What?
sepals it protects the flower at the bud stage,
Huh.
and it is in green color.
It is in green color. Okay, this is the part of the flower which protects the flower during its early period. Okay, at the stage of bud. The next part is, this is called what? Petals. This is called what?
Petals.
So Mansi, would you like to describe it? Describe it.
It is colorful part of the flower.
Okay.
It attracts insect for the pollination.
Pollination, right? She is absolutely right. This is what? A petal. Okay, and it is colorful part. It gives the color to the flowers. Okay, whatever the different colors we see of the different flowers, that is actually the color of what? Petals. Okay, and the main function of petals is to what? Attracts the insects for what? Pollination. Okay, the next part I'm gonna just dissect it like this. Okay, this is somehow, this is what? Ovary. Nah, this is style and this is stigma. Stigma, style, ovary. Okay, so who will describe it? Stigma? Stigma, anyone? Okay.
It is the sticky parts of the plant
Huh.
which where the pollen grain gets stuck.
Stick. Okay, during the pollination, what happens that these pollen grains, okay, pollen grains are the male part of the flowers. So this pollen grains get stuck in stigma. This is a tube like a structure which connects this stigma to the ovary, and this is called what? Style. Okay, and this is what? Ovary. Ovary is a swollen part. What is this? Swollen part. And what is the function of ovary? To produce ovules. To produce ovules. If we talk about the female part of the flower, the female part of the flower is called carpel or pistil, which contains three things: stigma, style, and ovary. Okay, and the next part is male part. Because we talk about this is a bisexual, it means male part is also there. So this is the male part. Male part contains filament. You might be seeing pink color one. And then after anther and pollen grains. Okay, this is what? Filament. This yellow, this pink color, na? This isn't it? This is what? Filament. No. This is filament. And then after yellow one, anther. And there are pollen grains. Okay, pollen grains are the male gametes of the flowers. Okay, and when they fuse together, this is called what? Fertilization. After this, what? Fruit is formed. So this is all about the discussion of the tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Okay.